Day 7. We have met a lot of wonderful new friends, met incredibly great old friends here at KidVenture AirVenture. And Navigator Fred, we have learned so much this week. What have you learned this week, Navigator Fred?
Well, the folks at KidVenture have been giving me this wonderful workbook that I can use to help me remember everything that I've learned this week. So we start out with the very, very beginning of the book here, and I'm going to throw some stuff down here in the table of contents so I could remember what to talk about. The first thing we have to remember is the navigation part.
I'm so proud of you.
We have to know where we're going before we leave so that we know exactly how to plan the flight, so we can figure out exactly what's going on, because we have to worry about the regulations.
That's
Not only
right.
the regulations here in the United States, but the regulations all over the world, everywhere we're going to go fly.
And that was day 1, wasn't it, Navigator Fred?
Exactly. And then we have to worry about the aircraft design, not that we're building the airplane, but we have to know exactly how the airplane was designed, so you and I know how it runs, and so we know how to operate the airplane, and we also know how to load the airplane so the airplane will fly correctly when we're going around the world.
That's right.
We have to keep track of the air traffic control services all over the world, so we know who we're going to talk to, what frequencies they're on, and what kind of rules and regulations that they have when we're flying around the world, so we know exactly how to talk to ATC in all the different countries. Then, before we leave the ground, we have to check the weather to make sure that we can get to where we're going. We may know exactly where we want to go as far as the navigation is concerned, but the weather may dictate that we have to travel in a different direction based on the winds and the clouds and the rains and the hail and the lightning and all those other different types of weather that can happen out there.
Very important, isn't that?
And then finally, on the day we leave, we have to make sure that we're looking at the human factor. Are we doing the I'm safe thing to make sure that we're both ready to go, to make sure that we're going to be able to get across the ocean safely?
3 peas in a pod
That's
also,
right, that's
isn't
right.
it?
The person, the plane, and the plan.
That's
Preparation.
correct.
That's it. I forgot the first third P, yeah.
That's right. Our 3rd P isn't here,
That's right.
so we were missing her.
So, I learned a lot this week.
I'm so proud of you, Navigator
Oh, thank you,
Fred.
Greg. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. You graduated.
Yes.
And we have the special treat of coming to you each month live. Where can they find that, Navigator Fred?
If you go and sign up on livestream.com and under the Discover Aviation TV section, then the site will send you an email every time that we're about to do a live broadcast. So if you want to watch us live, you can. They will let you know when we're going to do it. And also, if you missed the live broadcast, don't worry about it. It will be archived at livestream.com under the Discover Aviation TV section, and it will also be on www.thinkglobalflight.org. So you'll be able to find it many places to listen to us when we talk about our live TV subjects between now and the time we do our flight.
We also welcome questions. We welcome what you would like to hear on our live broadcast. What topic would you like to talk about? Do you have, during the investigative questions, do you have questions for us? We will cover any topic related to our flight, related to any topic we have talked about, related to Captain Judy and Navigator Fred. What do we do as we prepare? They can join us on our flight. We are taking all of you around the world. We depart April, sun and fun, Lakeland, Florida. Join us. We need your help also preparing our flight. Have that one adult sign up. Where are they going to sign up, Navigator Fred?
Then go to www.thinkglobalflight.org.
That's correct.
Just click on the education tab, and they'll be able to sign right up through that section.
And there you go. You can join us in 3 ways. You can follow the flight. You can join a student command center and work on our investigative questions on the education tab. Or you can do the highest top level wins aloft contest. If you are the winner of the correct analysis of the wins aloft, you get Navigator Fred and Captain Judy. And with that, I believe it's see ya next month on
livestream.com, Discover Aviation TV.
Thank you. And signing off, wheels off from Captain Judy and
Navigator Fred.